Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get and install Fortnite on your Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. And this is very easy. So if you're getting like an error where it says it's not supported, there is a different way you want to go ahead and install it versus the Epic Games website. So if I go back to the home screen on my Fire HD 10 tablet, what I want to do is scroll on down from the top, go to Settings, then locate Security and Privacy under this menu right here. Then go to Install Apps from Unknown Sources. So let's find that. So it's located right here. Allow Apps from Unknown Sources. Tap this. Then go to the Silk web browser. So I can see it right here. And simply allow this. Now that the Silk web browser is allowed, let's go to the web browser. So here it is on the home screen, Silk browser. Now with the Silk web browser opened up, let's go to the URL and type in www.apptoid.com, just like this on the screen. Press enter. It'll bring you to this store. Now this is going to be similar to the Google Play Store, and we want to go ahead and download it onto your Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. So here's Apptoid. Let's go to download in the upper right side of the screen. Install Apptoid now, it's free. So let's go to download. Alright, so a download link popped open. Let's go to download anyway. Scroll down from the top, and we can see it's installing right here. So I have the APK on my Fire HD 10 tablet. Go ahead and open this up, and then press install right here on the bottom. Now I already have it on my tablet, so I'm going to scroll on down. I can see it right here. So here it is. Let's open it up. And like I said, this is going to be very similar. It's an app store just like Google Play Store, or very similar. Now I want to go to the search icon and just simply search for Fortnite. So let's go to the bottom here and go to search and type in Fortnite. Press enter. Now go to it and open it up and install it onto your Fire HD 10 tablet. When you see a trusted icon like this, that means you know you can trust the application. Do not download or get anything on your Fire HD 10 tablet that is not trusted. So go to open now. And here's Epic Games. I'll open up Fortnite on my tablet now. If you tried getting this from the Epic Games store or the Epic Games website, we'll say not supported. But this method, you can actually get it onto your tablet and you can actually play. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.